Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan C Art. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a second set of coasters that I did with using the Stuck-Up Pigs. This one is again the Boastful, changes from green to blue. It is amazing. I really recommend that you try it out. I'm just quickly showing you how I mix it. I mix it with Josanja Gloss Varnish first, and then I put in my Malverk pouring medium, which is a German equivalent to the European Floetrol. And you really don't need a lot of these Stuck-Up Pigs. So even though it is a lot more expensive than this little piggies, it's worth it, I would say. I used like half a teaspoon tops, not even, for probably a quarter of a teaspoon for these 8 coasters that I made. So it really goes a long way. This is as much as I put in there, and then I mix it with probably, I'm not sure, 3 times at least, probably even more of the pouring medium. And one thing that you should be aware of is that once you mix it with the pouring medium, it will turn gray. Don't worry, once you used it in your pour, it's definitely not gray anymore. You will see that at the end. Also stick around till the end because I'll show you how I removed the tape that I put on the back of the coasters, and also how I removed the resin drips. It's very easy, but I'll show you at the end. Also at the end I'll link to another video where I go through the whole process of taping the back, doing the coasters, resining the coasters, and removing the tape and the resin drips, and also how I put the cork rounds on the back of the coasters. But here I'm just doing each coaster. As you will see, I just have a base coat and the SUP, the Stuck-Up Pigs, and then I use gold from Golden Fluids. It's the Iridescent Gold Fine, and that is all that I'm using in this. 1 base coat, 1 Stuck-Up Pig, 1 cell activator. So with that, I'll just leave you to it. Enjoy, and as I said, stick around. There will be a link for an older video where I show you a lot more in detail what I do to prepare the coasters and everything. Do enjoy, and you have a great day. Bye!
You better start moving and feel the music. Get your groove on and let it use you. When you feel the fire,
And here you have the dried resin results. You can really see the color change here, from blue to green or from green to blue, really depends on the angle that you're looking at it from. These stuck-up pigs are really amazing. I can't wait to try out some of the others. I haven't done them yet, but yeah, I'll be doing them soon. And after this, in a second or two, I'll show you how I clean off the back and put on the cork rounds. So I basically just take a heat gun. I do recommend that you put the coaster on a little cup or something. Don't have your hand right under the heat gun, it does get warm. So yeah, maybe don't do it like I just did here. But yeah, basically just go around with the heat gun, I guess 4 times. And then it's very extremely easy to peel off the tape. As you can see, I taped the whole thing, and then the drips just break off very easily. It is just as easy as that. It's really great. And once I've taken off the tape, I put on a cork round. I got those from Amazon. They are 10 centimeters in diameter, and the coasters are 11 centimeters, so they work perfectly for them. And you just peel off this back side and stick it on the coaster, and that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You guys have a wonderful day, and come back soon. Bye!